everyone, welcome back to my channel. MJP Auto here with another exciting review. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw, a smart, fuel-efficient three-wheeler designed to redefine urban commuting and public transportation in style. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Auto Rickshaw grabs attention with its modern and aerodynamic design. It features a sleek front fascia with bold headlamps, integrated turn indicators, and a stylish windshield visor that gives it a futuristic edge. The chrome detailing and dual-tone body options add a premium touch, while the compact dimensions make it perfect for navigating through tight city streets. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and practical interior. The cabin offers comfortable seating for 3 passengers with improved cushioning and legroom. The driver's cockpit is ergonomic, with a redesigned dashboard that includes a digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, and a smart steering layout. It even includes a fan and optional music system for a more pleasant ride experience. Under the hood, the Toyota Bajaj is powered by a refined 4-stroke CNG engine that balances performance with eco-friendliness. It delivers smooth acceleration, low vibrations, and enhanced mileage, offering up to 40 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient rickshaws in its class. Whether it's city commuting or longer urban routes, this rickshaw handles well and stays reliable even in heavy traffic. Toyota has also put strong emphasis on safety in this model. It comes equipped with a reinforced chassis, seat belts for both driver and passengers, a fire extinguisher, and anti-roll protection. The braking system has been upgraded with front hydraulic brakes for better control and quicker response time, offering drivers more confidence on busy roads. One of the standout features of this rickshaw is its hybrid engineering, combining Toyota's global technology standards with Bajaj's local market expertise. It's built with lightweight yet durable materials, low maintenance needs, and runs at an impressively low cost per kilometer. It also comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty, which is rare in this segment. The 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw is priced competitively, starting at around 2.80 Indian rupees lakhs ex-showroom. It's also available with attractive financing and fleet options, making it a great investment for drivers and commercial operators alike. To sum it up, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj CNG Auto Rickshaw is a game changer in the three-wheeler market. It offers a modern design, comfortable interior, efficient performance, and enhanced safety, all while being affordable and eco-friendly. Perfect for today's urban roads, this model truly sets a new standard for smart commuting.